At the state level, where Arizona voters will now decide on a ballot measure that would allow local law enforcement to arrest people suspected of illegally crossing the border between ports of entry.
HCR 2060 was approved by the state House and is now on its way to the November election ballot. But a legal fight is already on the horizon. ABC 15's Marissa Sarbak kicks off our Border Watch team coverage tonight. Marissa.
Javier, Katie, the proposal here in Arizona is similar to a law in Texas that has been put on hold by a federal appeals court while it's being challenged. Certain border crossing provisions would not go into effect in our state until at least 60 days after the Texas law is upheld. Still a lot to sort out, but one thing is for sure, Arizona voters will have a say when it comes to the border battle.
I was appalled by HCR 2060 when it was first introduced. This HCR is riddled with constitutional problems.
Representative Annalise Ortiz was one of the State House Democrats to vote no on HCR 2060 on Tuesday.
This ballot measure should terrify citizens and non-citizens alike. It will give Arizona police the authority to enforce federal immigration law.
The measure ultimately passing the House, now advancing to voters in November. It would make it a state crime for migrants to cross illegally from Mexico into Arizona, giving local law enforcement the ability to make arrests and state judges the ability to order migrants back to their home countries.
I understand the intent, I understand the spirit, and I understand the frustration behind it. I mean, there's so much frustration on our southern border and beyond.
Cochise County Sheriff Mark Daniels believes in the ballot measure, but says asking local law enforcement to enforce federal immigration law without the infrastructure or the budget to do so poses a major challenge.
Rural counties like Cochise, Yuma, and other counties, how do we pay for this? Where do we get the resources? And when you deplete your deputies off their main focus of protecting the citizens, the community, and you put them into processing, you start dealing with immigration issues, or you start taking jail space from those that really need to be in jail. I mean, that's not a win-win.
Some supporters of the measure say it's necessary, citing the federal government hasn't done enough to stop people from crossing illegally into our state. But opponents call the legislation unconstitutional and say it would lead to racial profiling. Immigration attorney Renata Castro says immigration is a federal issue, calling HCR 2060 an overreach by the Arizona state legislature.
It's a constitutional violation to the sovereign power of the federal government.
She believes Arizona voters will pass it, but civil rights groups will challenge it.
Once they vote that law into action, I don't believe it will be more than 24 hours until an emergency injunction request is filed and that law never comes to see the light of day.
Marissa Sarbak, ABC 15 Arizona.
Thank you, Marissa. The group Lucha, Living United for Change in Arizona, says they're already planning to file a lawsuit challenging HCR 2060. The organization is meeting tomorrow morning on the steps of the Arizona Supreme Court to continue their fight against that ballot measure.